Pre-workout drinks, why you need them, and which ones are the best. Pre-workout drinks, why would you need them? What do they do? Who are they right for? And who should be taking them? Hi, I'm Dr. Derek Alessi, the High Octane Dad, helping to unlock the superhuman potential inside every father. And pre-workout drinks have been around a long time. You're probably hearing more and more about them right now. And in this video, we're going to look at the pros and cons of pre-workout drinks, break down the ingredients, and find one that is right for you. Please remember to like and subscribe to this video and leave your comments down below. I want to keep making information and content that's important to you. So here's the situation. You know that workouts are important and you're committed to improving your fitness and your health. You wake up early in the morning and either head downstairs or to the gym for a workout. Sometimes it's tough getting going in the morning, so you need a quick pick-me-up. You want to work out in a fasted state, so you decide to drink some black coffee. However, the coffee is too hot to drink and it takes too long to drink it to get the caffeine effects. And furthermore, it makes your mouth feel too dry while you're trying to work out. So you switch gears and try a popular energy drink. However, the drinks are higher in calories and usually contain sugar, which will kill your fasted workout results and your fat loss goals. Even the no sugar diet versions of these beverages feel very chemically and have a strong aftertaste. So a friend of yours at the gym tells you you should buy a real pre-workout drink. And after doing a Google search, you are inundated with hundreds of options, and most of them have very aggressive names like Total War, Psychotic, and The Curse. Some of these are making unpleasant claims and warn of undesirable side effects such as insomnia, diarrhea, headaches, itching, and being flushed, to name a few. This doesn't sound like a dream at all. It sounds more like a nightmare. And that, amongst many other reasons, are why I created Pure Pre-Workout. Now, I know what you might be thinking, that since I created it, I'm heavily biased towards it. And it's a very good question, and I do not blame you for asking it. In truth, I am biased towards it, and by a lot. But don't just take my word for it. Let me explain, and let's break this down into detail so we can see exactly what's inside of it. In 1982, Dan Duchaine formulated the first pre-workout drink called Ultimate Orange. Ultimate Orange quickly became popular amongst bodybuilders. Between the late 1990s and the early 2000s, consumers alleged that an active ingredient in Ultimate Orange called ephedra caused high blood pressure, strokes, seizures, cardiac arrhythmias, and heart attacks. Ultimate Orange was banned in 2004. In 2005, a chemist named Patrick Arnold formulated a pre-workout drink called Jack 3D, which contained a new ingredient called DMAA, dimethylamine. Jack 3D quickly gained popularity and notoriety for its potency, but its high concentrations of DMAA were suspect for causing shortness of breath, chest pain, and elevated risk of heart attacks. Now pre-workout supplements are available in different forms, including tablets, capsules, liquids, protein powders, and bars. A number of common ingredients are used. There is considerable overlap between the ingredients used in pre-workout blends and other supplements intended for weight loss, improving mood, life extension, or, as purported, neurotropic and aphrodisiacs. Some ingredients such as caffeine, creatine, and beta-alanine are found in nearly all pre-workout blends, but each branded product is a proprietary blend with an average of 18 different ingredients, the exact composition and proportions of which can vary wildly between the products. So after the past 30 years of taking different supplements and workout drinks, I decided to make my own, but I think myself, as well as many other people, were looking for similar things. For a long time, fitness enthusiasts and bodybuilders were looking for very specific reasons. But now even just general health and fitness and people that want to lose body fat are also looking for something out of a pre-workout drink. Ideally, a pre-workout drink would help them wake up and create increased energy, would help them get a muscular pump, would help them lift longer with less fatigue, would help them recover quicker after training, and if it tastes good, that's an extra bonus. Now, I knew I needed to take all of that into consideration when formulating a product, and I wanted to make sure that we were using nothing but the best ingredients and make sure that it was done with the utmost safety. What I didn't want was beta-aniline. Taking excessive amounts of beta-aniline may cause a condition called paraesthesia, an unusual sensation typically described as tingling of the skin. It is usually experienced in the face, neck, and back of the hands. Sucralose, which is Splenda, is a modified form of sugar with an added chlorine, and it can cause unpleasant side effects such as gastrointestinal problems, seizures, dizziness, and migraines. Also blurred vision, allergic reactions, blood sugar increases, and weight gain. Now that we broke down in detail what we didn't want, I want to show you what exactly I was looking for in creating a pre-workout drink. BCAAs are a group of 3 essential amino acids: leucine, isoleucine, and valine. BCAA supplements are commonly taken in order to boost muscle growth and enhance exercise performance. They may also help with weight loss and reduce fatigue after exercise. Creatine. Creatine supplements increase your muscle's phosphocreatine stores and help you produce more energy. Speeds muscle growth and may help with Parkinson's disease. May lower blood sugar levels and fight diabetes. Research suggests that creatine supplements may lower blood sugar levels by increasing the function of glucose transport type 4, GLUT4, a molecule that brings blood sugar into your muscles. In a 12-week study examining how creatine affects blood sugar levels after a high carbohydrate meal, people who combined creatine and exercise exhibited better blood sugar control than those who only exercised. Beta-aniline free and sucralose free. Instead, we opted for a less sweet but more expensive sweetener in stevia. And let's break down stevia right now in detail. Stevia. Stevia is a natural sweetener derived from the leaves of a plant linked to numerous benefits, including lower blood sugar levels. When used in moderation, stevia is associated with few side effects and can be a great substitute for refined sugar. Caffeine. Caffeine can improve memory, decrease fatigue, improve mental functioning, study after study suggests. It can improve your short-term memory and speed up your reaction times, according to a study presented in 2005 at the Radiology Society of North America. And it can help you burn fat. Not looking to blast you out of your skull in the morning or have you just at a super high, which will come with a super low, but intelligently wake you up, help you lose more body fat, and not break your fasted state so you have more ketosis and fat-burning properties. Lastly, the packaging. It always bothered me. Most supplements are just in these huge plastic or mylar tubs, which is not good for either your body or the planet. These supplement receptacles are disastrous for your health. It has been known for years that plastic bottles containing BPA and BPS are far from safe. Dangers can include increased estrogen, which can result in increased body fat and increased risk of certain cancers, decreased fertility, which can affect both genders, and an increased risk for thyroid disorder. They are also disastrous for the planet. In addition, increased plastic isn't good for the climate either. Plastic is harmful because it's non-biodegradable and leads to plastic pollution. When thrown on land, it can make the soil less fertile. When thrown in the water, it can bottleneck and clog our ponds, rivers, and oceans. This can harm sea life because the bacteria in their stomach is not equipped to break down the plastic for digestion. According to the Ocean Conservatory, plastic waste has been found in more than 60% of all seabirds and 100% of sea turtle species. More than 1 million plastic products make their way into the ocean and on land. Ingesting plastic has life-threatening effects on marine life and wildlife. There is no reason why supplements can't be environmentally responsible and at the same time be very effective. Our pre-workout drink is packed in aluminum, and included is our scoop, which is also made of aluminum as well. We like to use reusable glass containers that are eco-friendly and sustainably sourced. Also BPA and chemically free. Also too, we have a pledge to our climate that we are friendly and things are dishwash safe. We have eliminated the use of unnecessary styrofoam, mylar, and plastic in our containers, shipper boxes, and master cartons. Better for your body and better for the planet. Our oil products, which are macadamia nut oil, MCT oil, our salad dressing, and apple cider vinegar, are all packed in glass. So what does all this mean? The answer is it means a lot. And if you're a person looking to improve your performance, wake up your nervous system, hit your workout with a little bit more vigor, and do it in a safe way that's both good for you and the planet. Pure pre-workout is excellent. But also to know this, with any supplement, there is no perfect scenario. You have to try some and find which ones work the best for you. In the 30 years I've been doing this, I had trouble finding one. It took some time to put one together, but I wanted to make sure that it worked first and foremost for me. At a very selfish level, I'm looking for products that I want, the highest possible ingredients in the right packaging. I think it also, though, works for a lot of others as well. I mostly work with people over the age of 40 years old, not bodybuilders, not pro athletes, not Olympic athletes, busy people, working people that their health and their fitness are important to them and they want to maximize it as well as feel good, live longer, and improve the quality of life. So hopefully today you enjoyed this video. Once again, Pure Pre-Workout is a drink that I created. I wanted to make sure that I had something that was of the top ingredients in a sustainable container and something that was utilized and could be worked for a lot of different individuals with goals. If you like this video, please remember to like and subscribe down below and leave your comments. I want to keep making content that's important to you. I'm Dr. Derek Alessi, the High Octane Dad, helping to unlock the superhuman potential inside every father.